Hi guys, let's show you here in this video after they pave the asphalt binder. You can see here insulation, and here air barrier, aluminum frame. That's for car dealer. Here you can see concrete sidewalk, saw cut here, and wedge joint for curb. And here you can see they put expansion boards at the edge between the new concrete and the existing concrete. You can see expansion board here. Okay, and here you can see ramp down or tactile warning system here. Okay, so here they can see they cut back like 1 foot the asphalt paving so they can do form work. And here you can see light broom finish and control joint. And here you can see how they supported the forms. You can see using washer and screw. And you can see they supported on the joints. Yeah, safe and all the way up. And that is, the density glass with air barrier, joint, corner, I have uploaded some videos about this project. Great work. So everything is covered here, and here the foam, concrete sidewalk, here's gas. They're using this machine to let the building dry. They are working mud, drywall work. You can see how they use that machine with gas, make it warm. You can see that like heater machine. Okay, and they have gas tank here, so all those hoses went down, run it down to make the building warmer inside so they can do drywall work. Here also you can see foam work, 2 inches of insulation, maybe chalk line here, R10. You can see they used washer and nails here. That's the reinforced plastic. You can see they started. They are working good drywall. So those hose came here to make building warm, so it will be dry fast. You can see electrical work above ceiling, height elevation. Okay guys, duct work, fire sprinkler system, duct work, fire sprinkler system, steel structure. Dry work. You can see that's hanger for electrical work. Insulation, and you can see purple for bathrooms, offices. So it's dry work. You can see electrical work above ceiling heights, electrical work. They try to seal this building here and there, make it warm so they can do drywall work. But that's the smart thing, make building warm. You can see mud, stuff, good drywall. And here you can see that hanger for electrical cables. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys. Bye.